Hi snare drummers, welcome back. In today's video, we're doing our solo number 11 from our Alfred book. This solo is in 2/4 time, and it's going to focus on a few of our roll patterns that we've built up in the pages leading up to this solo. So primarily the 5-stroke roll and the 9-stroke roll. So the tempo recommended on today's page is 108 beats per minute. We're going to do it slightly slower than that at 80 beats per minute. Because as we work through these solos, I want to make sure that we have a tempo that's appropriate so that we can have the most success we can. So let's get started and play the introduction or the first 4 measures of this solo. 1 and 2 E and ready, go. 1 and 2 E and 1 and 2 E and 1 E and 2 E and 1 E and the 2. We end it with a 9-stroke roll. Let's do that again. 1, 2, beginning and go. 1 and 2 E and 1 and 2 E and 1 E and 2 E and 1 E and the 2. Our next section starts in measure 5. It's a repeated section. It goes from measure 5 all the way to the end of the 3rd line and ends with another 9-stroke roll. Let's play this section one time, no repeat. Here we go, measure 5, ready, set, go. 1 E and 2 and 1 E and 2 and 1 and the 2 and 1 E and the 2. 1 E and 2 and 1 E and 2 and 1 and the 2 and 1 E and the 2. 1 E and 2 and 1 E and 2 and 1 and the 2 and 1 E and the 2. 1 E and 2 E and 1 E and 2 E and 1 and the 2 and 1 E and the 2. You can pause and now you can go back and play that section again if you'd like to. Now we'll move on and start in line number 4. From here in line number 4, we're going to be playing down quite a few lines. We're going to play all the way down to the fine in line number 5, 6, 7, 8. We're going to play all the way down to the fine in the middle of line 8. So find that fine with your eyes so that you see where we're going to stop. All right, here we go from line 4 down to that fine. 1 E and a 2 E and a ready and go. 1 E and a 2, 1 E and a 2, 1 E and a 2, 1 and 2. 1 E and a 2, 1 E and a 2, 1 E and a 2, 1 and a 2. 1 E and a 2, 1 E and 2, 1 E and a 2, 1 E and 2. 1 E and 2 E and 1 E and 2. 1 and a 2 and 1. 1 and a 2 E and 1 E and 2 E and 1 and a 2 E and 1 E and a 2. 1 and a 2 and 1 E and 2 and 1 and a 2 and 1 and 2. 1 and 2, 1 and 2. 1 and a 2 and 1 and 2. 1 and a 2 and 1 E and 2 and 1 and a 2 E and a 1 and 2. And that's the fine. The next section is in the next measure. It's a repeated section, and it starts there, and it goes to the end of the first ending. So let's play from where we just left off in the measure after the word fine, and let's play to the end of the first ending. 1 E and a 2, ready and go. 1 E and a 2, 1 E and 2 E and 1 E and a 2, 1 E and 2. 1 E and a 2, 1 E and a 2, 1 E and 2 E and 1 and a 2. 1 E and a 2, 1 E and 2 E and 1 E and a 2, 1 E and 2. 1 E and 2, 1 E first ending, 1 and a 2 and 1, 2 and. From here, we're going to go back to where we just started and then take the second ending. Once you take the second ending, we're not done the solo yet because it says DS al fine. Where is the DS sign? Do you remember when we passed it? Well, yes. From the top of the page, it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 in the 6th line. From the bottom of the page, it's the line 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 from the bottom. That's the DS sign, and you're supposed to now play from that sign to the word fine one last time. Let's finish up our video by playing the DS to the fine. and 1 and a 2 E and ready DS. 1 and a 2 E and 1 E and 2 E and 1 and a 2 E and 1 E and a 2. 1 and a 2 and 1 E and 2 and 1 and a 2 and 1 and 2. 1 and 2. 1 and 2. 1 and a 2 and 1 and 2. 1 and a 2 and 1 E and 2 and 1 and a 2 E and a 1 and 2. And that's the Fine to solo number 11. So now it's your turn to get your metronome out and get yourself set up and ready to play through solo number 11 on your own. Follow all the directions and play the roadmap of the solo correctly. Once you've mastered it, try bringing up the tempo and try getting to the goal speed of 108 beats per minute. So until I see you next time, keep drumming.